The scrape filter can be found here on the filters, distortion, scrape. So it smears an object along an axis. Let's take a look. So the smear filter consists of a few parameters. We have the center, controls the X and Y position of the scrape filter. We have the rotation, controls the rotation of the smear. Amount controls the number of pixels spread across the range of the scrape. At 0, very gradual. And then at 200, we have a hard edge, just like here on our composition. So let's reset that and set this rotation to 90. Crop. Let's turn off our filter first and then adjust the scale of our layer. Let's go back to our scrape, turn it on. As you can see, the crop, once this is checked, the filter will be bounded by the layer itself. It doesn't go out by the bounding box of the image. However, if we turn this off, the scrape filter will go out bounding box. So if we change the rotation, you can see that there's a difference. Let's reset. Now, let's turn on our group and check fixed resolution. And then, let's turn on the crop filter again. So we have the same result as earlier. So it depends on you now which way or which method will you use to achieve the same result. Mix is the percentage between the blend mode or blending of the effect to the layer. It's similar to a turn on and turn off of the effect. Publish OSC. Checking this will make this controller available on Final Cut Pro. The scrape filter can be used text animation similar to what I have uploaded. So let's reset this. Let's delete this. Let's add a text. So let's turn off our crop. So we have this, what I mentioned earlier, like the animation. So let's adjust our rotation and then do a simple Y position animation. So we have used the scrape filter on a layer and look at how we can use it as an effect to achieve some cool animation. So that's how to use the scrape filter in Apple Motion.